let us talk about dark spots because I think that they are more annoying than pimple itself. They settle down comfortably in your skin as if they are paying rent. And then you start trying random things like lemon, toothpaste, and some random and dangerous bleaching creams that you get from TikTok University. Meanwhile, your skin barrier is crying for help. So in today's video, we'll be talking about some serums that will help you with dark spots and acne scars and even uneven skin tone and also hyperpigmentation. And I will explain the ingredients, the texture, and if you're worth your money in this economy. Now, before I start this, I want you to understand that dark spot takes time to fade, okay? There is no serum that is going to remove 5 to 6 years of hyperpigmentations in just 3 days or in 7 days. It's going to take time. You just need to be patient. Like I always say, be patient and be consistent and it will go. So the first one I'll be talking about will be the ordinary niacinamide 10% and zinc 1% serum. And honestly, this serum is very good for oily skin. If you have oily skin, this should be your go-to serum. And the main ingredients here is niacinamide, that is also called vitamin B3. And niacinamide is one of those ingredients that does almost everything. It helps fade dark spots, acne scars, hyperpigmentation. It also helps to control excess oil and also to strengthen your skin barrier, while the zinc inside also helps with controlling oil as well. So if you have oily acne prone skin, you're always breaking out a lot and is also textured, this is a good option for you. The texture is lightweight and watery and it absorbs very well on the skin. It layers well with moisturizers and sunscreen. Now, some people use this serum and they start seeing results, while others takes time for their skin to adjust. So I will say you should start slowly. But this particular one might be a bit harsh. So if you're someone who is just starting out, I will advise you go for 2 to 5% niacinamide. Okay, you start with small percentage of niacinamide. Now, the second one I have here is Garnier Vitamin C Booster Serum. Now, vitamin C is a very good serum to fade dark spots. It helps to brighten your face and also evening out your face over time. Also reduce excess pigments. It also helps protect your skin from an environmental damage because it is an antioxidant and it gives a healthy glow. So this serum is very good for dark spot. It's good for mild hyperpigmentation and it is also beginners friendly. If you're starting out, you can also start with this serum. And the texture feels very lightweight. It is very comfortable and breathable and it's not sticky. It layers well with your moisturizers and also your sunscreen. And guys, wear sunscreen whenever you're using this. Whenever you're using anything brightening during the day, always make sure you wear your sunscreen so that it will also help with whatever you are treating. And another one I have here will be the ordinary alpha arbutin 2% and hyaluronic acid. Alpha arbutin is one of the most loved ingredients for treating hyperpigmentation and also treating melasma. It also helps to target pimple bacteria as well. And I love that it's very gentle on the skin. And it also contains hyaluronic acid, which is known for hydrating your skin and keeping it plump and healthy. So while it is treating dark spots, your skin is also feeling hydrated and also comfortable. And this serum is very good for acne marks, uneven skin tone, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, and dark spots. It's also good for sensitive skin. And this combination is very powerful for dark spots. And tranexamic acid helps with hyperpigmentation and melasma while being gentle on your skin. So if your acne marks has refused to leave your skin, this serum might help. Another one on my list will be Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Serum. And this one is also a very good serum that it contains vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So with this serum, you're getting hydration, glow, and brightening at the same time. Now, this serum is actually not the strongest vitamin C you will see, but it's very good. It is a beginner friendly. If you're starting out your skincare, this serum is for you, especially if you're on a budget or you don't want to spend too much money. So this serum is for you because it's very affordable. So another one on my list would be Acne White Dark Spots Corrector Serum. So for Korean skincare lovers, come closer. This is for you. So it contains 5% niacinamide and brightening plants ingredients. Honestly, this serum is very good. The texture is very beautiful. It is very lightweight, very smooth, and very comfortable. And it focuses more on glow, hydration, and gentle brightening and also calming the skin. And if your skin gets irritated, this is a very good option for you. It is very lightweight, it is very good, it helps to calm the skin down. So this serum is going to be very good for you if you also have a sensitive skin as well. Another one will be Beauty of Joseon Glow Deep Serum. First of all, if you know Korean skincare, you will know that they are all about glow and hydration. And this serum contains rice extracts and alpha arbutin. So rice extracts helps to brighten and nourish the skin, while alpha arbutin helps to fade hyperpigmentation and dark spots. And the texture is very lightweight and also still hydrating. And it also gives the skin a very soft and healthy look. It's also good for sensitive skin, combination skin, if you have a dull skin, and also good for a dry skin as well. If you also have a dry skin, this serum is also very good for you. And another one on my list would be Annual Niacinamide 10% plus tranexamic acid 4%. Now, this serum contains a lot of acne fighting ingredients. It has 10% niacinamide, 4% tranexamic acid, alpha arbutin, and niacinamide. This is basically a dark spot fighting squad, like all in one. And this serum helps fade acne scars and brightens the uneven skin tone and reduces excess oil and also hydrates your skin. Despite all of these ingredients, it is still lightweight and it doesn't feel sticky. And it's also good for oily skin, acne-prone skin, and a very stubborn hyperpigmentation. Then another one will be River Anti-Pigment Active Serum. And guys, this serum really surprised me because of the ingredients in it, and it's very good for the price. And it contains niacinamide, tranexamic acid, alpha arbutin, vitamin C, and azelaic acid, like 5 ingredients in one. Basically, everything came together for a group project. So that's what I mean by it surprises me for the price. Like it's very affordable for all of these ingredients in it. And it targets hyperpigmentation, dullness, acne scars, and uneven skin tone. And it's surprisingly very affordable compared to many other brightening serums. Now, the last and not the least is the Borden Dark Spot Fix. This serum contains tranexamic acid, kojic acid, azelaic acid, niacinamide, and alpha arbutin. And this ingredients combination is very, very strong for hyperpigmentation. It is more for people dealing with very stubborn dark spots, deeper pigmentation, uneven skin tone. But because it contains many active ingredients, please, you need to introduce it slowly. Don't go and use it morning and night because your skin barriers deserve space too. So you need to use it slowly. Maybe try using it at night. Now, before I end this video, please stop using 10 active ingredients at once. Your skin is not a chemistry lab. And also changing serums every week or every 2 weeks. You need to give it time. Give your skin, give your products, give your serum time. At least give it like at least 3 to 1 month to work on. Because most brightening ingredient takes time. It takes like maybe 3 weeks to 1 month before you start seeing visible results. It takes like months depending on your skin type before you start seeing visible changes, before you start seeing visible results. And always wear sunscreen, because using a brightening product and you're not wearing sunscreen is also going to make what you're trying to treat worse. But if you use your sunscreen, it's also going to help help your products work better. So yeah, these are some good serums that helps with hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. And you also do not need to destroy your skin barrier just because you are trying to make it clear. Gentle skincare, consistency and patience will take your skin further than using a very harsh mixture on your skin. So this is the end of this video. Comment below and tell me the serum that has worked for you. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, and also share. And I'll see you in my next one.